We are discussing the Ketan Agarwal murder case. There has been another major revelation that has now emerged in this murder case. There is a report that states that the prime accused, Sia Goel, had searched online for details about the high-profile Raja Raghuvanshi honeymoon murder case before committing the crime. Police also reportedly said that she searched whether women are beaten while in police custody. The report states that after police recently escorted Sia to her residence as part of the probe, they recovered another mobile phone from her bedroom. The device has been seized and sent for forensic examination. Investigators are analyzing the device along with data from her first phone to trace conversations, internet activity and other digital evidence. Alright, these are big revelations coming in. The police have reportedly divulged that Sia was looking at previous crime cases that have been committed, including the Raja Raghuvanshi honeymoon case, to plot a murder against her fiancé. Shweta, what more can you tell us? In this case, there has been a second mobile that has now been confiscated by the police. It has been sent for forensics, and there are more details of Sia's search history on her mobile phone that have been obtained by the police.
Well, that's right. In fact, in a major development in Ketan Agarwal murder case, while the police went to Sia's residence at Leela Kunj, Pune, police confiscated a mobile phone along with the worn clothes in fact Sia was wearing on June 18th while the crime was committed. Having said that, the police has in fact after confiscating the mobile device has submitted this phone to advanced forensic team to retrieve the data. And however, when the data was recovered, surprising yet disturbing facts have emerged that Sia did actually see Sonam Raghuvanshi's case and also searched about the particular spot and secluded spot from where one can actually see the depth and the deep gorge is there at Lohagarh Fort. So one by one, we have been seeing that how kind of searches what Sia did on her phone is something not very surprising but shocking at the same time, that since how many days not only Sia but Chetan were planning and hatching this particular murder. And allegedly it has been seen that Ketan Agarwal was pushed to death on 18th of June.